Hi friends, this is Amol Bhoya from Vidisha Infotech. First of all, wishing a very happy Independence Day to everyone who is watching this video. We will be celebrating our 75th Independence Day. On this occasion, we are offering a 50% flat discount on all the courses. Those who will take admission on 15th August. It is mandatory to fill all the required forms in order to claim the discount. The forms are provided in the description. Note: in order to qualify for the offer, you have to fill the form on 15th August only. Form filled after 15th August will not be considered. One more thing I have to say is that the same will be applicable for Raksha Bandhan offer also. Note: at Raksha Bandhan, course fees will be very less, and we will be getting many discounts and offers. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe.